Hello everyone, I'm Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another episode of Cities Skylines, and this is episode 6. And in this one I'll just be going over the DLCs or downloadable content. And it's just a reminder basically to not forget about the DLCs, because the DLCs, they do give you a lot of extra challenges, they do give you a lot of extra content, and they give you a lot of other assets and things that you can use when you're playing through the game. And I believe some of them are definitely crucial to have, some of them not so much. So this is kind of my overview on, the few that I have purchased and a few of the reviews that I've watched, basically kind of detailing which ones are better to have and which ones are better not to have. And it does, I guess, depend on your playthrough style as well. For me, I really like to build a city that, pedestrians can walk and focus on that. And that really wasn't something you could do so much until as of late, when you've got the Plazas and the Promenades. That's a new DLC. You've also got green cities. You've also got, of course, mass transit, also helps with, pedestrians, Parklife as well. And as well, there are many other DLCs that you can get. After Dark is a good one, according to some reviewers, to get. Airports, if you're into big airports. Snowfall, not so much, really. Kind of disappointing from what I understand. Natural disasters, if you're into that, certainly it would be. Concerts, industries is another one that's pretty high on the top of a lot of people's lists. I haven't purchased this, so I'm thinking about purchasing After Dark and Industry. So just take note here of the ones that I currently have, and this is where you can find them in the CD Skylines game. Now, there is another place as well that you can find them here, and that's in the Steam loader itself, the program. And if you go to the game and then you scroll down, you can see the DLCs that you have already installed as well, so you can manage them. That's a couple of ways there. And of course, everyone knows if you want to add a game or a DLC, just activate a product, enter the code here, and it will automatically install into the Steam app. And then if it's a DLC, it will add to your game instantly. Oh, and something else worth noting is when you go into new game, it will list all the maps that come with the DLCs that you purchased, and you can tell which ones come with what because there's a little icon to the left of them. You can see the ones that I have. These are the ones that come with the vanilla game, and there's some at the bottom here which I've created myself, and that's a lot of fun and something that I will be going over in a future episode. So I will see you in the next episode. Again, I'm Rodney Reynolds, and I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this particular episode. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get reminded when I release new content. And it's always a good idea to become a Patreon, of course. It helps me out. And it also is a tight-knit community where you can discuss things like on a one-to-one basis. So I will see you in the next one.